Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you all are keeping safe. In today's video, sharing with you all another affordable 3-bedroom property. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. It could be useful to you. This property is from Gleeson Builders. It's located in Bradford, very near to Bradford City Centre. Now going with the floor plans. In the ground floor, you have the kitchen with dining, living room and a washroom. On the first floor, we have 3 bedrooms with 1 common bathroom. There's also a garage coming with this property, but it's not shown in the floor plan. Now as you enter the house, you'll find a small hall in front of you with different partitions made towards the upstairs and also kitchen and living areas. So let's explore the kitchen and dining first. So the kitchen and dining are coming in the front, and as you can see, there's a small partition in between to separate both the kitchen and dining. The space in the kitchen looks okay. You have the electric cooking, exhaust and also the cabinets coming in. The space for the washing machine and refrigerator also given, and you have a beautiful window facing front. So the ventilation is good. Even towards the dining side you have another window. So both sides you have plenty of light. And a small table with 4 chairs might fit in the dining area. Now towards the other side of the dining and kitchen, you have a small storage space and also washroom coming in. This is the space under the staircase which is converted. So here comes the washroom in the ground floor. You have the water closet, sink and there's an exhaust. Now moving towards the living area. The living room is coming behind the kitchen. It's got a decent space, 2 to 3 sofa sets can fit in, and you have very good room space to walk around. You also have the garden access through the French doors given in here. And there's an extra window coming, so very good light and air movement in this living room. The good thing about this property is the price is much cheaper. You're getting 3 bedrooms and a garage also is coming with this property, and still you have 2 car park space in the front and a beautiful garden with a fence around it at the back. So it's a good value for money. This is all in the ground floor. Now let's check the first floor. So on the first floor we have 3 bedrooms and 1 common family bathroom. So let's explore the first bedroom of the house. This is a double bedroom. A double cot fits in and you have really good room space to walk around. As you can see, you're getting 2 windows in this room, so plenty of light and air movement. This is kind of like a rectangle shaped room. So towards one side you can plan your cot and towards the other side you can plan the wardrobes. Overall, a decent bedroom with space and proper ventilation. Now let's check the other rooms of the house. So just as you come out of this bedroom, towards your left side you have the common family bathroom. This is the only bathroom on the first floor. You have the bathtub, water closet and a sink. There's also a window given towards one side. Now moving towards the second bedroom. This is coming just beside the family bathroom. The size of this bedroom is comparatively smaller than the first bedroom. A cot fits in and you can walk around. Again, this is also in the rectangle shape, so if you're fitting cot towards one side, then you can plan your dressing table or wardrobes towards the other side. There's a window also coming, so very good light and air movement in this room. Now let's check the third bedroom of the house. This is the smallest room. A small cot fits in and you can walk around. You're still getting a window in this room, so good light and air movement. We covered all the rooms in this property. Now let's go downstairs and check the garage. So for this 3-bedroom property, you'll get a garage and also 2 car park space in front of the house. This is all about today's property. I hope you liked watching my today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe to my channel and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you won't miss out on my future uploads. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in another vlog.